Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Thank you so much for the overwhelming positive support I got yesterday. I cannot tell you how much that means to me. You all are such a special bunch, and I appreciate you so much. And actually, I think I'm going to do my giveaway early. And the reason why is I just want to give back to all of you because I appreciate you so much. So I may do something else at 7,000 or 8,000, but we're going to do the giveaway at 6,500. And I just checked and I'm at 6,439 subscribers. So help me get there. And as soon as we do get there, I will announce how to enter into the giveaway. The giveaway bags are this one. These are both by a brand called Urban Expressions. And this one is in black and cream and would be a perfect bag to wear if you were on a beachy type vacation, going out to lunch, going to the shops. So this is one option, and it has a shoulder strap that I think you could probably convert to crossbody as well. But look at that material, it's really nice. The other option is this nylon tote, which is so smooshy and so soft. And I think it would be awesome for a gym bag or just a knock around bag. And both of these bags retail for about $100 each. And I'm happy to ship them to the winners for free whenever we hit that 6,500 together. So if you aren't subscribed, please give me a big thumbs up right now. So the reason I'm doing the giveaway early is because of the myriad of positive, heartwarming, wonderful comments that I got after yesterday's video. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link it down below. Today's video is a much happier video because this morning something wonderful happened. So yesterday, one of you reached out to me and told me that you had seen one of my wish list bags on Facebook. And this is something I have been hoping would happen by talking to you about the bags I'm looking for, including the lawn green mini Alexa, the cornflower mini Alexa, and then the ink keep all that's like dipped and looks like it's sort of bleached on the bottom. So those are the three bags that I have been sort of looking for, and one of them is coming my way all the way from the United Kingdom. Now, it's a bit tricky to buy from the United Kingdom. I joined a bunch of the Mulberry Facebook groups because there's a lot more Mulberry over there than there is here, which makes sense because that is where Mulberry is. Unfortunately, most of the people on those Mulberry Facebook groups are not willing to ship to the United States, and I have a forwarding address in the United Kingdom. If you didn't know, you can get a forwarding address from a company called Skypacks, and I'm sure there are others, but I've used Skypacks. I've purchased items, I believe from Depop, where I entered in my Skypacks address, had it shipped there, and then paid Skypacks to ship it to me. Also, I have had Coach from the United Kingdom do that because they get things that are different over there than we get here. And they tend to be a little bit more expensive, especially by the time you pay Skypacks to ship them to you. But sometimes it's worth it to get that special color that you can't get here. I did that with one of the Coach Cassies back in the day that I collected Coach Cassies like a mad woman. So in this situation, the seller was not super comfortable with the whole Skypacks situation. And I thought I could enter my Skypacks address in PayPal. I swear I've done it before, but there was no way to do it. So if she sent me an invoice, then she technically would have to mail the bag to my United States address in order to be protected by PayPal's buyer and seller protection. You can't ship to another address. If you do, and then the person says they didn't get it, PayPal will have the buyer's back, not the seller's back. So that's something you need to know. If you sell something on PayPal with a PayPal invoice, you must ship to the address within PayPal. So because that was the case, I looked at this individual's past sales history, and she had sold quite a bit and had no negative feedback whatsoever. So I offered to pay her with Zelle or Cash App or Wise Transfer or Venmo or PayPal Friends and Family. So I offered her all those options, and her comfort level just was not there. So I got to thinking, there are a few people that I know in the United Kingdom. There's a few YouTubers, but I'm not really close with any of them. I did reach out to one, and she has struggled shipping things to the United States that she has wanted to sell to people, or that people have wanted to buy from her. So she politely declined, which is fine. I told her she could. And then the other person that I thought of is a friend of mine who I have communicated with for quite some time, and she has shipped me something that she picked up for me from Coach before, so she knows how to do it, and I have helped her get things from the Coach outlet here in the United States, since it seems like the United Kingdom residents are banned from purchasing on the Coach outlet website. Like, I had to pay for it for her, and then she paid me back, and then I put in the address and needed to go to a forwarding address with SkyPacks here in the United States to get it to her. But this wonderful lady who also watches my videos agreed to have this bag shipped to her, and then she's going to ship it to me, and I am so over the moon about it, because the way that people ship things can cost a whole lot of money, especially if it's coming from the United Kingdom to the United States. And so I know this gal has my back and will pack it very efficiently to reduce the total cost. And let me tell you, I think I got a pretty good deal, even if the shipping costs $100. Fingers crossed it's not a lot more than that. So, you know, it is either a Mulberry Mini Alexa in lawn green or cornflower blue, or perhaps another fantastic color. I also mentioned Cambridge green as a color I would love to find. I'm trying to think if there were any other colors I highlighted. I don't think I've highlighted any other colors in our conversations, but we'll tell you now, it's not the ink keep-all. If it were the ink keep-all, I probably wouldn't be talking about it at all, because I would have to wait to show that to you in August, and I just can't tell you about it this far in advance if it were that. So it is a Mulberry Mini Alexa. It will be the fourth one that I have. It will complete my Mulberry Mini Alexa collection, and so I'm super excited about that. I am weird about numbers, and I have 7 Mulberry bags, and I would love to have 8. I tried with the cornflower blue iris. If you haven't seen that video, check it out down below. I'll link it. But that bag, it just didn't work for me. It had some quality issues, and I love this style more. So now I've got the Lilac Blossom Mulberry Alexa. That was my first one. I got it off of Poshmark. My second one was the Pale Gray, and this one I got off eBay all the way from Australia. And the third one is the Mulberry Pink Mini Alexa, and I got this one from the outlet. If you want a connection at the Mulberry outlet at Woodbury, New York, I'm happy to share mine with you. Just send me a DM on Instagram or email me. The number I will share with you is text only, but my sales associate would be happy to help you pick up one of these bags or a different bag at a fabulous price. I can't even remember what I paid for this one, but it was the cheapest of the 3 that I have. And it will be the cheapest out of the 4 that I have once the new one arrives. So getting a bag all the way from the United Kingdom isn't the easiest or the safest, and one of the reasons people don't like to ship from there to here is because of insurance. So in this case, I was told by my friend who's helping me out that she can only insure it, I believe, up to 200 pounds or 250 pounds with the shipping service that she uses. And she asked me if I was okay with that. And I am taking a risk by doing it this way, but she has bought and sold from the United States several times and shipped things this way several times and hasn't had an issue. So fingers crossed for me. If it gets lost or messed up from there to here, I will lose money, but it won't be the whole amount at least. So if you're looking at an item from the United Kingdom or somewhere else abroad, something to keep in mind, if you're here in the States, you want the item to cost less than $800 if you want to avoid paying customs or duties. And I don't really have an official transaction with this item, but I do have my PayPal friends and family payment I made to my friend, which worked out to be $720. So I fall below that threshold for the price. Shipping charges, I do not think are included in the price. I will be making a separate payment for the shipping to my friend once we figure out what that cost is. But shipping and tax, I do not think are part of it. At least it wasn't part of it with this bag, because this bag worked out to be like $7.90 before tax, but was over that after tax, and I didn't get charged customs. Now, sometimes you just get lucky and you don't get charged customs, even if it's a huge dollar amount, but you certainly can't count on it. So in cases where I am close to that $800 mark, I always try to get under it so that I don't get caught up paying 10%, which is roughly what it usually is in customs. I have had people tell me they've had to pay much higher than that, which totally stinks. You know, you get this bill and you can't send the item back and you just have to pay it. And I think people in Canada experience a lot of high customs and duties for items that are shipped to them, and it sucks. I wish that you could just know exactly how much it was going to be that you were going to have to pay, or if you would have to pay when you made the purchase, but sometimes you're sort of hanging on a wire to try to figure that all out. But in this case, my new bag should come to me without any worries, and I cannot wait to show you. I know it's getting posted tomorrow, so my friend should receive it on Friday. If she gets it out on Monday, then I would think I would have it by the end of next week. So that reveal is coming. I sold a bag to buy the iris. Let me see, what was it? I can't even remember. Oh, it was my soft tabby. And I returned the iris, and I was just waiting to find the next special thing. And this is it. So that is my happy story of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Remember, we only have like, let me see, 49, how much? Like 60-ish subscribers to go before I'm going to give away those 2 bags. And so I cannot wait to celebrate with you. Please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you want to reach out, you can find me at The Handbag Housewife on Instagram, or The Handbag Housewife at gmail.com on email. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.